Welcome to another Simple Dad Instagram tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can deactivate your Threads profile on your phone. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So you recently heard the news where Threads is a new Instagram app where all the people are going crazy about it. And so you have joined Threads and created yourself an account. Now for some of you, you might not know how to use this app and you're confused and you want to actually remove it now. So let me show you how you can deactivate your account from the Threads app. So to do this, you want to go ahead and open the app. Once you're here, you want to go ahead and tap on your profile picture here at the bottom right. This will take you to your profile page on Threads. Now you want to go ahead and tap on the two lines at the top right. And now you want to tap on Account. Here you want to tap on Deactivate Profile. Now Threads will ask you if you really want to do that. As you can see, deactivating your profile is temporary. Your profile threads, replies, and like will be hidden until you reactivate by logging back in. So to deactivate your Threads profile, you want to go ahead and tap on Deactivate Threads Profile at the bottom. You want to go ahead and confirm that, press Deactivate. And once you do this, this will deactivate your Threads profile from your phone. And there you go, that is how to deactivate your Threads profile on your phone. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.